Assalamu alaikum. Now we're going to discuss exam number 2, learning problem. A firm produces an alloy having the following specifications. Number 1, specific gravity less than or equal to 0.98. Number 2, chromium greater than or equal to 8%. This is concentration. Number 3, melting point greater than or equal to 450 degrees Celsius. Raw materials A, B, and C having properties shown in this table can be used to make the alloy. So we have used 3 different raw materials, namely A, B, and C. And specific gravity for these materials are 0.92, 0.97, 1.04. For chromium, we have used 7% in A material, 30% in B material, 60% in C material. Melting points are 440 for A, 490 for B, 480 for C. Cost of the various raw materials per unit ton are 90 rupees for A, 280 rupees for B, and 40 rupees for C material. Find the proportion in which A, B, and C be used to obtain an alloy of desired properties while the cost of raw materials is minimum. So now we have to minimize our cost and find the value of x1, x2, x3. So now first find decision variables. Decision variables here, raw materials. We have A, B, and C. So let the percentage contents of A, B, and C be x1, x2, x3 respectively. Just we denote it. Now the objective function is minimize. So minimize our cost. So C is equal to 90 rupees, from A. This is like a cost. 90 rupees, this 90 rupees is a cost for A material, 90 times of number of, raw materials of A means 90 times of x1. Similarly, 280 times x2 plus 40 times of x3. So subject to constraints would be like, our decision values should be positive. x1, x2, x3 greater than or equal to C. So now first constraint would be our specific gravity. So 0.92 times of x1, 0.97 times of x2, 1.04 times of x3 cannot go 0.98. So less than or equal to 0.98. So chromium percentage, 7% means 7 times of x1, 30%, 30 times of x2 times, plus 16 times of x3 is equal to 8%. So actually, percent is 1 by 100. So we multiply 100 on both sides. So we get this equation. Can use this equation. We don't need to write it divide by 100. Percent means divide by 100. So melting point is 440 times of x1, 490 times of x2, 480 times of x3 cannot go more than 450. It should be greater than equal to 450. So these are constraints. If we solve these 3 equations, So you find x1, x2 should be 0. Actually, I use a lift software. So hope in next video or later on, I will teach how to use lift software, linear programming solver. So so you plug in, like, so now I can teach you a little bit, how to use. Just we write here minimum, min, and write, or at the end of line we write like semicolon, this is terminator, and then between 19 and x1 we use static. Static means multiplication. Okay, anyway, don't worry about it, I will teach you on lift software. So I use lift software to solve this problem. So I have found x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 15 over 6. We plug it in this equation, so we find cos is equal to 37.5. This is our mean cos. So thank you.